friends, today let us see how to make no onion no garlic ladyfinger sabzi or bhindi bhaji. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon oil. After oil gets heated, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them flutter. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle. Next, let us add 250 grams chopped ladyfingers or bhindi. Mix nicely. Add 1 slit green chili. Add half cup water. Add 2 to 3 kokum petals and mix nicely. Kokum petals removes the slimines from the ladyfingers. If kokum is not available, you may also add 1 or 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add 4 tablespoons freshly grated coconut and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix nicely. Add half tablespoon asafoetida or hing. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Add half teaspoon jaggery and mix nicely. Cover and cook till the ladyfingers are soft. No onion, no garlic bhindi sabzi is ready. If you like the recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.